Hi all, so I'm again here with this topic in AS400. So, what happens if a file is created with expiry date less than the current date in AS400? So, if the expiry date is not less than current date, then not less than or equal to current date, then we will be able to create a PF with its member. But if it's less than current date, let's see what happens. So I'm creating a PF, a simple PF with some record length in qtemp library. You can say it flat file. So here you just page down, you see the expiration date option, which is by default star none. But if I specify, so this is the current system date 040221. Let's create a PF file pf1 created in library qtemp. Member this added to file pf1 in qtemp. So you can see that the file gets created successfully. Just see the members using type this. So we can see that the file created successfully and the member got added successfully. Now just delete this file and trying to create it again, but this time we will set the expiry date less than the system date. So I would be putting 040221. Now you will see PF gets created in qtemp, but expiration date not valid for member this. So we see that the message is thrown that expiration date is not valid for member and member not added to file this in qtemp. So basically the file gets created but no member gets added to that file because the expiry date is less than the current system date. So that file would not be a valid physical file till the time it does not contain any member in it, because every data contained in a member, not in a PF, and we always clear the members, not the PF. So let me show you. Just do dspfd. So you can see there are no members added to file, so there is no sense of keeping this file. So in case if there is a file which is created with expiry date less than the current date, then the file gets created in that case, but the member would not get added, means that file is of no use, and we will be seeing the message on the screen that the expiry date for that member is less than the system date. So that's all which I want to show you here in this video. So thank you and have a nice time.